So if we're asked to sketch sideways parabolas and we're given a function which either an equation which either looks like this or like this, the idea is we've got to use this information and pick out the key points here, or if we've got something like this, then we've got to turn it into this. Okay, so let's see. Now we know that based on information, h and k is our turning point, and then from there we want to find an x-intercept with y equals 0, and to find a y-intercept with x equals 0. And that's all we need to know. So over here we're going to have a vertex or a TP, a turning point, at 1 and -2. So that's where our turning point is. So then to find our x-intercept, where y equals 0. So from there we'll have -1 squared equals 8x plus 2. So from there we'll have 1 over 8 equals x plus 2. And we end up with, so we bring our 2 to the other side and we end up with 1 over 8 minus 16 over 8. And we get -15 over 8. To find our y-intercept with x equals 0. So from there we'll have y minus 1 all squared equals 16. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides, so we've got y minus 1 equals 4. I'll fix that up. Y minus 1 equals 4, so y equals 5. As we plus or minus 4, so there's going to be 5 or it's going to be -5. Oh no, 5 or -3. So from there we can graph it. We know we've got a turning point at 1 and -2, so it's somewhere here. Then we're going to actually know this is -2, because that's our x, and 1. So we've got an x-intercept, 2 and 1 somewhere, sorry, a turning point somewhere there, so it's going to cut through. Didn't think certain other bits of information looked right, didn't seem to fit in. So we've got a y-intercept there of -3, has our other y-intercept of 5, here we have our x-intercept of -15 over 8. Bit tricky on this device, but that's a step you take. If you have any questions, let me know. So now having a look at the next one, y squared equals 6 minus 3x. Well, we already know that k is going to be 0, so then it's just a matter of rearranging that. So we've got y squared equals, take out a common factor of 3, and we'll have 2 minus x. So we can rewrite this as y squared equals 3 as -x plus 2. Ends up being y squared equals -3. I don't know if we'll do that. Yeah. -3x minus 2. So now we have a turning point at 2 and 0. Because a is negative, it's going to go the other way. So we're at 2 and 0, so it's going to go like that and like that. And to find our y-intercept, we'll let x equals 0. So it'll be, so then y squared equals, fix that up, y squared equals 6. So then we end up with y equals plus or minus √6. So this is at the square root of 6. This one is at the negative square root of 6. So that's how we go about it. Just look at our equation, fill in the blanks based on the general form, and from there, find the key points of x-intercepts and y-intercepts, and then sketch. If we're not given in a general form, make it look like a general form by taking out a common factor like we did here. From there, you'll then find your turning point. Once again, let x equal 0 find y-intercepts, key points, and then sketched.